Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix too many background processes running on Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, disable unwanted startup apps one by one. Second method is type System Configuration in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, restart computer. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click System Components, click three dots under Windows Security. Select Never under Background Component Permissions. Select Never under Background Component Permissions. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall unused apps one by one. Fifth method is Update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.